Have you heard the story of Jack Ma? China's tech titan who used to dominate headlines? You know, the guy who went from being an English teacher to building an e-commerce empire called Alibaba that changed how millions shop? Yeah, him. Well, in 2020, he kind of vanished like a digital ghost, leaving everyone scratching their heads. Welcome to Do Academy. Today, we're not just diving deep into the mystery of Jack Ma's disappearance, but decoding its complex web of implications for the future of tech across the globe. Before we delve into the mystery of Jack Ma's disappearance, let's rewind and meet the man himself. Imagine a humble English teacher named Ma Yun, who in 1999 had a light bulb moment while discussing e-commerce with his friends. Fueled by ambition and a desire to streamline China's fragmented online marketplace, he founded Alibaba. This platform wasn't just an online store. It connected millions of buyers and sellers, revolutionizing the way Chinese people shopped. His impact didn't stop there, as he then created Ant Group, a payment system so convenient and user-friendly, even our grandparents could easily use it for everyday purchases. Ma's success wasn't just measured in the billions that he made. It was reflected in the millions whose lives he's touched. Alibaba empowered businesses, from small vendors to large enterprises, while Ant Group brought financial services to the previously excluded. Ma's journey wasn't without its hurdle. He faced through countless rejections when seeking funding for Alibaba. Yet, he persevered, driven by a belief in the power of dreams. Ma then rose to superstar status, becoming the richest man in China and a symbol of innovation. He was everywhere, gracing the covers of magazines, giving motivational speeches, and embodying the dream of rags to riches success. But in October 2020, at a major finance conference in Shanghai, things took a dramatic turn. Ma, never one to shy away from bold statements, delivered a speech that sent shockwaves through the system. He criticized China's financial system, calling it overly regulated, lacking innovation, and stifling creativity. This wasn't just a feedback, it was a public rebuke of the very system that allowed him to flourish and succeed. A risky move with unpredictable consequences and, well, not exactly a career-boosting move either. Ma's golden boy status began to tarnish. The spotlight turned away from his innovative spirit and instead fixated on his perceived disrespect. Scrutiny intensified on Ant Group, the fintech giant Ma co-founded and planned to take public in a record-breaking IPO. This massive offering, valued at $37 billion, was abruptly suspended within days of Ma's speech. This sent shockwaves through the tech world and started raising questions about the future of tech giants under stricter regulations. It was like someone pulled the plug on a party just as things were getting lit. Regulatory investigations soon swarmed in, peppering Ant Group with questions demanding answers and compliance. The media, once eager to feature Ma, went silent. Jack Ma himself? Poof! Gone from the public eye faster than you can say censorship. Whispers and rumors filled the void, ranging from house arrest to exile, leaving the world to speculate about his fate. The uncertainty surrounding Ma and Ant Group triggered ripples beyond China. International investors, especially those involved with Asian tech, felt the jitters. Tech companies, particularly those with Chinese connections, experienced increased surveillance and volatility. After Ant Group's IPO cancellation, Alibaba's stock took a nosedive, dropping 7.6% in a single day. And things didn't get much better. Antitrust investigations piled on, along with the continued mystery of Ma's whereabouts. All this uncertainty kept Alibaba's stock price on a roller coaster ride throughout 2021, eventually losing nearly 30% of its value by the year end. Ma eventually resurfaced, but things were far from how it used to be. Ant Group had to undergo a major makeover, basically surrendering a chunk of his power to the government. It was like clipping the wings of a mighty eagle. To top it off, Ma too had to bow down to the pressure. He stepped down from his positions at Ant Group and Alibaba, relinquishing control of the empires he built from scratch. His public appearances became rare and limited to non-business related events, from a tech CEO to just a quiet professor sharing knowledge with students. Jack Ma's story serves as a stark reminder. Even the biggest stars can be burned when they challenge the system. It's a cautionary tale for entrepreneurs everywhere, highlighting the delicate balance between innovation and government control. This raises crucial questions like how much freedom will these companies have to grow? Can innovation truly thrive under stricter regulations? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, Jack Ma's story is far from over, and it's one we'll all be watching closely. As for understanding Jack Ma himself, it requires looking beyond the headlines, beyond the regulatory clashes and public disappearances. It's about recognizing the man who revolutionized an industry, empowered millions, and dared to challenge the status quo. Only then can we truly appreciate his story and its implications for tech giants in our ever-evolving world. So, what do you think? Should governments have more control over tech giants? Or is freedom crucial for their growth? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like, share, and follow Do Academy for more actionable investment insights.